Hey everyone, I am in Montreal right now where there's a lot of festivities for the Formula 1 race. So come along with me as I try to do some street photography instead of nature and wildlife.
That's what? Like 75? It's like $75, basically. Yeah. Come on.
No, I just need to.
All right, well it's about 10 minutes later and I'm this beautiful section here. It's the Marché Bon Secours. Just beautiful cobblestone streets. It's really nice. Oh, that's California plates, and we're in Montreal, and that's a electric car. That must have taken a while. This is an engineering vehicle. I wonder if it's not related to the F1. Here's a map of the Old Montreal if you want to pause and look. Really like the idea of using these checkered flags for a foreground. I feel like it gives a really cool look. There's lots of tourists this time of year, and I look just like one. Nothing wrong with it. Oh, there's an actual car here, race car. Gotta put the noise cancelling on now. Oh, look at this car. Nice car, but it's really dirty. Now, what would be Montreal without all the construction? I'm sure that picture would be nice if the flowers were not all dead. They're just past their time. It's a cute dog. Let's see if we can take a picture of him.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Content. Well, that does it for me today. Hope you enjoyed this content. Street photography is definitely not what I'm most used to, but I think it was a fun challenge. Hopefully I got some good enough shots, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this content, if you like my other content, anything camera related or nature and wildlife, please subscribe and like this video. Leave a comment. Truly appreciate it. Have a nice one.